Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my vlog, and for all my subscribers, thank you for the continuous support, suggestions and phone calls. Buju Banton has a famous song, and in that song he has "Circumstances Made Me What I Am." And I think this speaks to Mr. Murdock, who we're about to interview today. A young farmer who is shifting his life into agriculture to become a little bit more independent of self. Sometimes when you look at the communities that some farmers are in, or even how we grew up, it exposes us to some lifestyles that is definitely not for the best. And what is inspiring to me is that this young man decided he's going to change his life and now focuses agriculture as a solution out of his problems. So let us watch Mr. Murdock as he plans to become a prominent goat farmer in his area. And I'm here to support that cause because we all need changes in our life sometimes to make our life better, especially we have kids to feed.
You know what I mean? So you know, say, oh, like,
The whole the pen flood out.
flood out. You know what I mean? Everywhere flood out, this cover. You know what I mean? So you know, when you start to see that everybody hungry.
Body hungry.
You know what, farm. We come with it. Rabbit inside, you know.
Yeah.
Inside. Take time.
So we have young Patrick, recent goat farmer, rabbit farmer, chicken farmer, duck farmer. He might do everything.
Everything. Duck in the pig them there, but them gone outside.
Gone outside.
Yeah, pig them. Yeah, pair of pig, nice. As soon as them come to feed, man. Yes, man. Rabbit them, you tell us, see how it cooks there.
Yeah man, your floor.
Floor in
With the
water.
rain we
Show
go
you
on.
say water
Yeah man,
come
water
exactly
soak
in
up in
it.
your place.
Yeah.
You have to go find out if you take that feed up off of the ground too.
Yeah. You just give them the if you know, you know what I mean?
Yeah man.
I mean, I'm not going to do this on the street. You know, they never really have to feed it from one day. If you cut little grass, give all the rabbit there, man.
So we get grass in the community.
You know, say, you have down on the highway, they say down on the gully bank, we have grass down there, so you know, normally go down there with my friend them with them back there.
All the feedback there.
Yeah, and
Cut and carry,
yeah,
come.
cut and carry, and but me not build no traffic because this penny, it just been recent, everything is just like 6 months.
6 months old.
Even my house when I have been
Right.
6 months, I try. My 3 kids them inside, and 1 kid I'm 10, I have 4 kids.
4, yeah, so me here you have
Yeah,
4.
so, see, me not left it from home, my radar license and
Yeah,
my
man.
driver's license, so.
You have it out the road, so the police them not trouble you.
Yeah, not trouble me.
Yeah,
so,
man.
I just take my thing to another level as a young farmer. In this community, I mean alone as a young youth, so powerful with the radio and everything. So forth with this all thing when you come see, I mean the only young youth. Well, me I try influence other youth and them a catch on and then buy 1 and 2 and but in the community now, me have the powerfulest goat.
Yes.
Them set a goat them now and me I try build up myself to a standard where I can like go to the meat product and you know what I mean, and so I can supply, you know what I mean?
Yes.
And not just the goat alone, just like rabbit car. Even one day a man, China man called me and he say one duck.
Yeah.
Kill a duck and he weigh £6. And me sell it at the 2 grand a pound, yeah, but me just give him for 1,000, you know? And so me get it for the 6 pounds. So I go on good and I just rain will fall what they mess me up with all the rabbit them, cause them lose all. See one of them lose kids, so me I try.
Under the stress.
Yeah, so it kind of rough for me because which one of them they kind of wet and me just want this could help for them a strong kind of something, you know. So me can take care of the animal them and I love it to my heart.
See that man,
Yeah,
see that.
ground, me love this, so me sleep in here. It's all the rain, so me sleep in here with them and me come like me I tell you, me sleep in here with them and I like the energy way. Them give me them, see me wait now, Mr. Man way. Not too want to talk about smoking, but I smoke and watch me animal them a lot because it's around here the man them go hard with gun for take my animal. But now we kind of change the rotation around here. Different syndicate of person. So we as the young youth them around here now, we are trying to uplift for community that are in a rock here called in here so rock.
Yes.
The youth them in here now elevate themselves and do what them supposed to do and who keep them little dance. But me just like my farming.
Nice.
Alright, ask my community about me big up rather and big up farming. If me go party, strictly rather them call me rather farmer, you know what I mean? Them call me the farmer.
Call you farmer,
You see all the bush load of music them and them that play around here. And me You know what I mean? Everybody I say, yeah, my general, yeah, and them like the energy what me are doing at the community. So me nah give it up for nothing at all. And me I do the best and for me and my youth them, and that's why I call you and I make you know some way come see the thing with me I do. Because I don't deal with nothing joke. If I get $20, I try to spend 5 in the house, 15 to the farm.
Straight.
You know what I mean? And some you deal with it. Sometimes I be a mother ask me, I can't get no money, I say at the farm. And she know at the farm.
Yeah, man, you build it up if you can turn
me
it.
have chicken, you know. Me have white fowl and just true. The rain come, see enough of them out of the white fowl, them I can see. Me have to let them out. Enough of them dead off.
Rain mash it up.
Yeah, so me I try strength my thing and me I look for the help and the strength from each and every person where I watch a thing and see the strength of the youth. And me I left my license and my thing them around my neck, Rado. Big up to Rado every time, you know what I mean? I pray, you know what I mean?
Bless up.
Yeah, because you don't know the whole family of the syndicate of the farming, you know what I mean? But use most, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Use most, check most of my family about them So that's my thing now, and more I swear if I offer to the product and to the country and whatever, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and the small ruminants association and all these things where I go and watch all these things. Sometimes I'm mute lay down and watch all these things where they're done. You know what I mean? So it's a blessing to each and everyone who go watch a thing, and you know what I mean? That is it. And you know what I mean?
Right, Patrick.
Yes, man. The donkey.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
The donkey.
First thing them verify me offer.
Oh, yeah, donkey on the farm.
Yes. So
Nice.
I true you don't know family, and me separate my place through me have my animal them and so forth. So this is what all me have to offer, and this is me just start my place and so forth. So you know the farming going. Yeah, see the pig them a come see them there.
Oh, the pig them roll in and don't forget them feed.
Roll in and get them. Come daddy, come. Come. Them stay together, you know. Everybody
stay together.
Everybody live together.
A whole McDonald farm, man.
Yeah, whole McDonald farm, you know what I mean? Yeah, everybody live together. Come.
Pig, duck,
Yeah,
everybody.
Everybody live together. Rabbit, everybody. Nobody
No discrimination.
Yeah. So wish mankind could live like animal. Yeah, love it. You know what I mean? Yeah. One hug up the eggs, so one dry tail back to you. And then go through the fence there. You know what I mean?
Mangoes to live pan egg them.
Live pan the duck egg them. And sometimes duck, you know, mala duck. And they have common duck.
Oh yeah, so the mala duck. Yeah.
So some different genetics of things me have. I try some different things where nobody would have tried. You know what I mean? Enough time some people who come in here, they must say, you have so much things, you never see me have barbel dog.
Yeah, man, I see them, man.
Yeah, and pigeon and them stuff. And I try to get on with everything. And I touch anything I touch them animal, good. You know what I mean? So I try to build up myself now with them back, because what they have couple book me have to sell out to buy back some good breed of goat, because normally I sell the name and them the native them not give me the money when I need. You know what I mean? So yeah. So I try to turn the thing out there when I try to build up the bigger breed I go, so I know some money they can them type of goat. Like the boar and the Yobian and the Isle Pint and you know so forth, and you have a goat where he is kind of a little bit, I don't remember me.
The La Mancha then.
La Mancha. More, me get one, me a pay fee. And weirdly people have them.
Yeah, man, yeah.
So me I try to get one. It's around 3 of them the first time, and instead of them give me one because them sister me I try, you know what I mean? So me I try to get in some little thing, me not get them yet, but me I try to put in little work now and then. Me and my chicken them, and chicken me start off. Can buy one thing, boat, make up to buy pig, make up to buy this, make up to buy that, you know what I mean? So me I try to turn the thing little now, the chicken them dead on. So you know so the thing stop because if chicken did there, you could take out 2 chicken and it's about a feeding that.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Alright, and no chicken not there, so on Sunday, some people would get call and say, you know, more want 15 pound of chicken or 10 pound of chicken. And would have my chicken them to supply people. You know what I mean? And sometimes I kill goat. Right now I have goat belly in my fridge and you know what I mean, so forth. So I them something them live off of them. So this is my livelihood, 9 to 5.
9 to 5.
Yeah. And I do my construction because I build my house, you know what I mean? So I just that clean, you know.
That you know.
Yeah.
Get you. Farming and your thing.
Yeah, farming.
You just and take care of youths them.
Yeah.
So they make people on the farm?
Yes, man.
Oh yeah, daddy on the farm.
So bring feed and feed the goat them in there.
You and your sister? Sister, you help out too? You run them in.
Yeah, sometimes I vex with them.
Why we vex with them for Papa?
I need them to take care of them because if them take them away, we not gonna have nothing.
True,
you know
true.
What I mean? So yesterday me in my sleep and them pull the gate and them gone and I cuss. I get mad for them if they don't find them because me know say them I take care right now, them teeth go to hard. As go down on the road with the rope on him, somebody drive past and I can't go with. So me feel put no rope on them and try to keep them in my surrounding, you know what I mean? So sometimes it cost them and but them know me love them and them know say this is our livelihood. And
so yeah, show them some of protect them investment.
I'm afraid that them are something where them used to like. Them deal with them like me. You know what I mean? So me like how my son them operate. So them like the farming and I know them all get strong in life. Because I build it for them.
For them.
You know what I
I
mean?
like that.
I mean I just build it for them alone, I build it for others. And show others that farming in a Jamaica is tough. It can work.
Can
It's
work.
a good thing. I tell anybody say this is my 9 to 5 now. I look more from this, I see me start from one goat. My baby mother give me 12,000 that I could buy 10 100 black. And me use it buy the goat. And she said to me, say, that you take my money buy. And there me a changa see me and me a go and me have an uncle I find them and him kinda fall out. But me have goat for him see me. As soon as the thing build up, him have goat for all for himself. You know what I mean? And him buy me around 3 to 4 goat. My uncle I find and I start off from this until me start buy 1 and 2 same way down the line until it get enough and I never have no kid during the process because I just started. I tell you, 6 months since I start the whole process and moving from Kingston. Because the violence, as well, I tell you, it never was so pretty. So, and I know what me can do in the yard where I live. I can't plant the flowers. And I know me like this energy. So, me never like the energy because me have them stuff here and me know me can do with the farming and me never saw me and this bag of gunshot for them youth here fire. Enough of them now think about say work. I think enough of them would even want to do this way me I do.
For sure.
And I take it up and I say, you know what, I get back in my thing because never look at Virgin out of St. Thomas them and do farming and he never tell me say, you money there on it and I see where him buy. He make house out tight. He make nothing. I never usually take it for joke, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? But I take it up back now and say, you know what, I get here and I see what him do so. It's just something I do from small so. It's like something I never like for so. Me never have no work. Me try out how much application everything and never work out. Me even work at enough look a place in my pen where I have to put out so many things to get like food anglers and so forth and I get them and I get my work and but it never that pay as much. So I just tell myself I not work back for no more body. I just
focus on your thing.
Farming. So if I this, me I gonna fall out with a this, you know what I mean? So I this still left and that's it, you know what I mean? And I like the energy, you know what I mean?
For real.
And thumbs up, you know what I mean? To every farmer and more every farmer see this and know say young youth out here and them can do it. You know what I mean? And a lot of youth out there where I do this pie thing, it can work.
It can work out.
Because I've been there, Khalil, I'm done. Every youth there, if them could watch my thing now, they know me out there. They know so we're serious. They know so we're tough, but this is my thing. And if a man for hurt me, you know, I must run the goat there because this me take for my 9 to 5. Me now walk a night time with goat and so forth. So goat are my 9 to 5. I bleach with my goat them, sleep with my goat them. Sometimes I don't sleep in my house. I sleep in my pen with my goat them sometimes I eat it. So I don't want nobody take me for a cruff like, you know what I mean? I'm a nice young man where I do my farming, where we are putting in a serious work. Wherever you see it's a serious work and
see
it's a
that.
lot of money here.
Yeah, man.
It's a lot of money. Simple man who see it little like it's a lot of money here. So I have to just try to get it angled in the right way and angle it like a bangle, you know what I mean?
Yes.
And
So,
deal with it right.
we
So
focus on our business,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
man.
so
True.
and that's my thing now and I tell every youth to just if you can buy one pig or buy one goat and tie it up and try feed it it will work out because one goat can drop 2 and sometimes we drop 2, it drop 1 first and it will drop 2 after and then 3. If it drop 4 drop or 3 drop, it drop with gear the 4 then. You know what I mean? So you have to sit down and know one goat can start you from, because that's what me start from one goat. And see me have all of this, one goat. Me sell one goat, and buy every pallet. You see. I'm sell, I'm buy, I'm get. I'm a piece of board them, and even if I bulk, notice my card them, everything line up in my pen where, you know what I mean, where them get light at night time and everything. So if them short at bulk, I have to spend by the bulk. You know what I mean? So I take the farming serious, I make them out alive, same as my chicken them. So I never keep the farming rolling, and I just chicken me use turn all of this.
Chicken.
Yeah, white fall. So I would love get back at some white stronger pen, because you see the pen how it's there. So at the end where we can make the thing tough and a nice pen. We can go on. I never have to say more. I do this without an axe.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because I know say farming there, and I can take it from here. Right now, I go in the more and plant some callaloo and some ground producing, because you know the lockdown and now and the tough I can, because I love my ackee tree and them thing there, and I'm a little, you know what I mean? So you get there and plant, but I little ground produce like I usually do it. You know what I mean? I'm a little herbal, but enough for trouble nobody, you know what I mean? And the government, you know what I mean? So I do my little farming, ground produce otherwise. So I just we if you know as young youth say, them things are worthwhile and we can do it for a living, and this is my 9 to 5 and I eat that, you know what I mean? Thumbs up, you know.
So boom, me and a farmer the other day sitting down having a conversation about how is it that we take care of animals. I will start talking about home remedies. I am not really a fan of the home remedies, and you will see why I make this statement later on in the video. However, I really want you guys to listen to this home remedy that this farmer uses to deworm his animals. Tell me that one day again.
Yeah man, if maybe if me get one chubby buckle like one Pepsi buckle. But maybe about this amount of GS. Full it of cooking oil.
Cooking oil?
Yeah man.
So it do?
It work man. Deworm them same way.
Deworm
shine. Yeah man. Deworm man. Home remedy man.
So all of that GS and cooking oil they are not poison?
No, cooking oil. Cooking oil good.
That's why I made it.
So I GS down.
And the poison.
That's why I made it.
Cooking oil good.
Nothing is wrong with being innovative or trying to find an alternative solution to our problems. However, my problem with home remedies is the lack of research to support this practice. Especially when we're dealing with food for human consumption, we do have some standards to follow. For example, the use of neem for dewormers has long been something that farmers has been researching, and we actually have research evidence to support it, where they actually identify the active ingredient and quantify the amount that can be used to be effective. My challenge to farmers, let us be a little bit more scientific in our approach to our home remedies, and probably we might be lucky enough to identify something that can actually help us to solve some problems. But we also should be conscious of the food laws that protect human food consumption. And guys, don't forget that we have veterinarians in place to provide this technical information for you, who will give you the proper dosage and the proper methods to use for health problems.